Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to add and remove links in Google Documents. There are a few options to add a link into the documents file. The first option is to literally type the link. Start with https:// and type the link that you need. It will automatically turn into a clickable link. If you hover over the link, you will see a preview of the web page. You also have three options: copy the link, edit the link, or remove the link. You can also type a word that you need. Right-click on it and choose Link from the list. Search or paste the link in the special field. Click on Apply to save the changes. If you hover over the link, you will see a preview of the web page. You also have three options: copy the link, edit the link, or remove link. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!